What's your name and where are you from?
Jeff Goyette, originally from the top of New Jersey, live in Nashville, Tennessee now. It's my 73, 345 V8, headers, dual exhaust, 4-inch lift, 33s.
How long have you had it?
I got it in 2009.
What all have you done to it?
Body, it's a 76 Corvette blue. We jazzed up with a little bit of metal flake, a little bit of pearl. Other than the lift kit and some other odds and ends, it's not too far out of stock.
I like the color. It's good looking.
Thank you,
Can you
sir.
see inside?
Yeah. Tub's just rhino lined. Carpet kit still in the future. Original vintage 70s pleather there.
Yeah, I see that. It's nice. Go ahead and fire it up. Man, that sounds healthy.
Had 81,000 miles on when I got it. It's got about 96,000 original on it now.
Dual exhaust.
Yep. 4-chamber MagnaFlows.
What's your future plans?
Interior. I haven't touched the interior. Other than I put the Tuffy center console in there, but other than that, I haven't touched it. So I want to do the sound deadening mat, get carpet kit in there. I need new headliner so I can put all I have all the interior pieces and everything, but I need to replace the headliner before I can put the insulation and everything else back in.
What kind of lift is that?
4-inch rough country.
Rough country.
Figured that'll last me long enough.
Oh, hell yeah.
As soon as the shocks
How's it
wear
ride?
out, I'll just replace it. It rides better than before I lifted it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Well,
it really
that's
does.
good.
Yeah.
Springs must have been shot.
Yeah, I think the springs were actually sagging an inch lower than stock. And after I lifted it, it rode a whole lot better.
Future plans?
Yeah, other than the interior, that's about it. I want to have the seats redone. I already got a guy lined up for that. I'm thinking about doing a low hoop front bumper on it with a winch receiver.
That'll look pretty good.
I don't know if I'm going to do that or chrome. I might chrome the front bumper, I'm not sure.
It's a good looking rig.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate you showing us.